Hello friends. Welcome to my channel. In this video, you will learn how to list your business on Google in very easy steps. You just need to follow my instructions and you will be on Google Map easily. Before starting the video, please subscribe my channel and click on the bell icon. Now I want to tell you why business listing on Google is important for your business. In today's era, everyone firstly check on Google for getting any services, shops, or anything. We choose the best one and the nearest one. As you can see in this image, whenever we search for any services, Google give us the list of nearest services providers. Now we can select the best one by seeing their reviews and can compare the prices too. Let's get started. Search on Google My Business. You will get the link where you can post all your business information. By clicking on this link you will get this page. Now click on Start Now. Then you will get this page. Now click on Add Your Business on Google. After clicking on this you will get form one by one, just putting all information of your business one by one. Now on this page, you have to put your business name. If still you didn't decide any name, then select any unique name for your business and put details here, then click on Next. You can add different locations here on where you can be available. If you can't visit anywhere, then select No. Then click on Next. Now you will get the form as seen in image. Put physical address of your business here. And click on Next. Your information will added on Google Map like this. Now there are two options. If you are serving your services on many locations, then click on Yes, otherwise select No. Now type your business category here. Now you can share your contact number, website URL, etc. here. If you don't have website, then select the option I don't have website and click on Next. After putting all these informations, your business listing is finished. Now click on Finish button. Now you will get the options for verification. Google will send you code. If you want to get code on your physical address, then select mail option, or if you can verify by your phone, choose other way to verify, then you have to share your contact number here. Now this is your final business listing page. Edit it as per your timing, services, etc. Hope this video will help you. Feel free to ask any query in comment section. Thanks for watching the video.